हम हैं आईटीसी के इस स्टनिंग स्पेस में जहां हिस्ट्री, कल्चर और ऑपुलेंस का परफेक्ट मिक्स है। बट आज स्पॉटलाइट है यीजिंग पर, एक चाइनीज डाइनिंग एक्सपीरियंस जो नेक्स्ट लेवल का है। Welcome to Luxury on My Plate, where I step into fine dining with some of the best chefs in the game. So I'm here at Yijing in ITC Maratha with the master of Chinese cuisine himself, Chef Liang. Ni hao, Chef.
Ni hao, Hanan.
So Chef, today we are here to unlock the secrets behind the mighty wok with the master of Chinese cuisine, and you have heard about him. And Chef, I'm a big fan of yours and your cooking. I think the passion that you bring on the table, it comes in the food that you serve in this restaurant, and the food is fantastic. Your restaurant is one of my favorite restaurants in Mumbai. If you are a Chinese lover, this is the place you must try. And Chef, your passion it shows in your dishes and each and everything in the menu. And today we are unlocking the secret behind the mighty wok, the high flames and the techniques behind, cooking in the wok, changing the ordinary ingredients into magic. So Chef, what's on menu today?
Today I'm going to cook very famous dish, Kung Pao Chicken.
Oh, one of my favorites, Kung Pao Chicken. So let's get started.
Let's going to cook.
Yes. So guys, we are making Kung Pao Chicken with the master of Chinese cuisine, Chef Liang. So Chef, which part of chicken is this?
We use the chicken leg meat.
Back meat.
Leg meat.
Leg meat.
Leg meat. Yeah.
Leg meat because it's very meaty.
Meaty and a little bit more tender, more tasty.
Correct.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of people, whenever we are making Chinese at home, and a lot of people tell me that the chicken is never tender. So is there a trick to get the meat or the chicken or the lamb like really tender when you cook?
Today you come to the right person to show you this kind of things. Any kind of meat, the marination for the Chinese cooking is very important. So we have used so many ingredients all for this marination the chicken.
Okay.
So I show you the procedure for that.
Okay.
First, we cut the chicken into the cubes.
Okay.
So this one is a small bone. We remove. So a little bit cut. You know this for what? This
for the marination to seep inside.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. And then
cut into the cubes.
Chef, some people say that you have to cut with the muscle, along the muscle or against the muscle.
Depends on meat. For
Okay.
the chicken, no problem.
Okay.
If for the lamb or some pork, you have to broken the muscle. No?
The muscle, right?
You know some tenderloin like this. You have to cut like this.
True.
So you have broken that.
Okay.
And
And
we
that
cut-
makes it tender.
Meat become tender. I
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
So we cut small dice. This you have to remove this one.
Okay.
So small.
There's the fat part.
Fat part of some small bone.
Okay, that's a bone.
So we cut a little bit. For Chinese cooking, the cooking is very carefully, from the beginning, how to cut the meat. You see?
And I think the main part during, especially
Yeah.
using the meats, in Chinese
Yeah.
cuisine, it has to be tender. So how we eat in 5-star hotels or big hotels, the meat is always tender, and these are the tips that you have to follow.
Yes. Now we do the marination.
Yes.
This is a ginger and the spring onion.
Okay.
We put some water inside.
Okay.
This is very important. We use the water to squeeze that, the water come out. This put it inside. No?
Okay.
So we need the marination. Now what we need, some salt,
Yeah.
little bit salt, white peppercorn. This is cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine.
Chinese cooking wine.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
easily available in the market?
You can buy some supermarket. This is soy sauce.
It's the light
That's soy sauce. Yes. This is cornstarch, corn flour. You can see.
Yes.
That's 1-2
Okay.
teaspoon. The egg, little bit.
Little bit of egg.
That's this egg. How much is one?
This must be like half an egg.
Yes. So you put half eggs.
Yes.
That's whole eggs.
Right.
And,
Beat it and then
yeah.
put it.
Normally they show you chopsticks. I use hand. But
Okay.
Chinese cooking normally this more easily.
Yes.
Just make them together. Make nicely,
Just mix it well. Do we let it rest for some
Yeah,
time? or-
you have to rest around 15 minutes.
Okay.
So, for some Indian, they call it Indian Chinese.
Yes.
They cook everything, put too much corn flour.
Yes.
Everything deep fried is wrong.
Okay.
You see, that's little bit.
Just a thin
Oh,
layer
yeah,
of the
yeah.
marination.
Yeah, you see?
Yes. Because chef, a lot of places I've seen, they make the chicken and the coating on top
Yeah.
is like really thick and it just comes apart. It
Oh.
doesn't stick to the chicken. It is because there's a lot of marination.
Too much the starch there. I think they
Too
put
much
too much.
starch there.
Also, after I'm going to cook, I show you how to use the oil,
Okay.
how to stir fry.
Right.
It's cutting and marination is very important. But the cooking, for the frying, the stir fried food, you have to take many years to understanding what practice. So you can become some Chinese chef.
Chef, I love Chinese cuisine and I have to note down so many amazing tips that you're giving me. Where is my diary? Whoops. Okay, chef.
Yes.
And I met Chef Liang last year and I fell in love with his passion and the zest for cooking. I think that's something really important in a good chef. And he's been a chef in the Chinese cuisine for 45 years. Imagine learning from him. I'm super excited. I've got my notebook and pen to jot down everything that he speaks.
Shipra come to our eating restaurant. I've been knew her last year when she for first time came to Yijing for the time food guy. I had good memory for her because she has good knowledge about the food. She is so kind. Also, after I know, she is very famous chef, especially for the video for the how to make the food. She can make so many kind of I can see not only one cuisine. There's so many kind of cuisine she can make.
So, Chef, I've noted down everything. Let's fire up the wok and dive right in.
Going to cook.
Yes. So, Chef, we have this wok. What is the beauty behind this? What is the secret behind cooking Chinese in a wok?
Yeah, first you use this wok to be very clean.
Okay.
Put a little bit oil first.
Okay.
You heat entire the wok with the oil.
Okay.
Chinese chef, everybody have to know.
For Chinese cooking.
Yeah.
Because I've heard, Chef, that Chinese cooking is high flame cooking. Like you cook on high flame.
Not everything high flame. This one, when you fry, we call it stir fry for stir fry things. This temperature not more than 160. We put the meat inside.
Oh.
You can see the chicken. You can so tender.
And it's cooked also.
Yeah. If you not marinate nicely, this all shows the meat, also the muscle there, on surface very rough. The cooking timing very important.
Yes. Okay.
Now it's done. You see?
No, perfect.
Perfect. So you see now the wok very clean.
Yes.
The sauce for Kung Pao Chicken.
Okay. That's very important.
Very important. You see, this is the sauce. Salt, then the sugar. Sugar a little bit more. This is this sugar. Sugar and the vinegar. Keep the balance.
Right.
How much sugar you put, how much this vinegar. Before 3-4 spoon, right?
Right.
Then this cooking wine.
Cooking wine.
Cooking wine.
Just a teaspoon. Then
Dark soya.
dark soy.
Dark
Okay.
soya. Yeah, yes. Then what we put is this potato starch.
Okay. That's diluted in water.
Chinese
Starch has to be put in more, and this one is
rice. The
Rice
potato
flour.
starch is imported.
okay.
You see, this
Yes.
is done.
Oh, this is done. Wow.
You can, your finger is so beautiful. You can taste a little bit. You put, then you taste. Sweet, little bit sour, salty.
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
The
yeah.
perfect balance.
Yes. So we are cooking.
We cook the sauce first.
No cooking. Now we are going to cook the chicken.
Okay.
The Kung Pao chicken.
Right.
This is a Sichuan peppercorn.
Oh, this is Szechuan peppercorns,
Peppercorn.
and this cuisine is
Have to
incomplete
use,
without it.
have to use this one. Without this one, they cannot call Kung Pao chicken. So somewhere they say Kung Pao chicken, I will pin some nuts, something. No, not the
Okay,
other.
perfect.
So we put this one. It depends, in Sichuan we put more.
Okay.
Here we don't put too much.
Oh, yeah.
This one I cook nicely. The chili powder.
Okay. This is a spicy hot chili powder.
Not very spicy. This is giving color and the flavor. Flavor for that. So then we put the chicken.
Okay. That was good.
Yeah, you see
Oh, wow.
this color
Yeah.
and the spicy powder
Wow.
go inside.
Looks amazing.
Yeah. No, what is one?
Onions.
Spring onion.
Spring onions.
Spring
Chef,
onion.
you have to teach me this.
Your
How do you
family.
do it? You have to teach me what.
Yeah. You see.
The high flames and the technique of wok stir fry is something that I'm learning from Chef Liang, and I always wanted to understand how a stir fry is done. But I tried my hands on it and I thought it's pretty easy. I saw the chefs doing this. It was so heavy, I could not lift it. I lift a lot of weights in the gym.
One day you want to turn
Yes.
over this one, you have to open the field.
Yeah.
So
Okay. You have to push it and then.
that's good. Okay. Today you only have half portion.
Yeah, it's very heavy for me.
Very carefully. Yeah. So you need. She was cooking with my wok. Wok so heavy. She still try it. We make put fun.
I had just seen it, but I didn't know I couldn't do it.
Yeah, you're difficult. So what do we put? Now we put the sauce.
Okay.
We put normally we use the peanuts,
Yes.
but the Indian peanuts very small, so we put some cashew nut together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, authentically, it has to be peanut.
Authentic only peanut.
Only peanut.
Wow.
Linda, and so
Yeah.
good, chef.
What do we put? Sesame oil.
Oh, I love that.
Sesame oil.
Oh my God.
So you see,
So yummy.
what means scale, Wow. You see, all the salt
It's
coating with the chicken. You can see observe the right. Yeah.
looks amazing and smells amazing. Wow, chef, this looks perfect and the smell.
Good smell.
Amazing.